Said
How
we.
long is coal skill take to burn?
By say 5 by
About
6 days.
About 5-6 days.
Yeah, it
Okay.
a go ready. After I light in a this week,
Yeah.
in a Monday week.
Yeah, man. So you have to cut them up at certain length, right?
Yeah, she was carrying do them up at the top, right up there, sir?
Yeah.
Right round the curb.
Okay, so you cut them up to the length how you want the length of coal skill.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Said we, sir.
Yeah. So how you prepare the ground part now? Cause me see like me see like them there now hole,
I true.
right?
Me no use no stud. Me just
You not use no what?
stud like where everyone use.
Mm.
Me no use it. Me used to use it, but me through everyone where I deal with it and a couple of them.
Yeah.
Me say, well, all of we can do the one. So me said we. So me just not use no stud. Me just put the dry wood and just pack pan the normally dirt.
Okay, okay.
And when time me cover it with grass,
Mm-hmm.
and then me dirt it now and light it at the front part right around there. So
Okay,
it
so
does take time and steam out.
so you just clear away land.
Right.
On the
There.
bare land.
Yeah, pan the bare
So
land.
all me I see because you did have other coal skill there before and you dry, right?
And me do it so true, me no. You see if me dey use stud, it
Stud,
did
what you
that
call stud?
one something for lay do them pan. You put one piece on one piece at the front and just lay the wood pan it. But me no use no
Okay,
stud.
they kind of raise you up.
Right, 3 heights up.
Yeah, so that's oxygen and something can
That's
go through
right. But true, everyone I do it said we so.
this. Yeah.
Me say me nah bother with it again. Each one when me burn, I said we.
Okay. So alright, so you dig out the hole. So basically you cut the wood them the length of the coal skill.
Right.
How tall you want it to.
Right.
And
How
then
big you are gonna make it?
yeah. And then when you pack it, so you pack the big where you put the big one, then you put some big one
Me
I
put the
bottom.
small one at bottom, then me start the big one.
Okay. And then what happen after that now? After you pack you them in it, what happen after that?
After me done pack, me I go cut the grass, start put on a portion of grass.
Mm-hmm.
Then after me done now, me start to dirt it.
Alright,
Me
so
like
why you put the grass on it? Why purpose of grass?
fi make the grass, fi make it steam out. That mean the dirt can go down in the scale.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So the grass can make it eat, distribute evenly.
Right,
Okay. And then after you put the grass on it, you put the dirt on top of it.
right, yes,
So
said
where
we, sir.
dirt do now?
Hmm?
Where
That
dirt?
means that when you light it,
Mm-hmm.
it does steam out, it can bust
It
and
can-
burn out.
Oh, you know, boss. Remember the term there, no boss.
Yes,
So
now
it's like you know go like no big fire, no flame. It just
when
have to just take time.
right and the steam out.
Steam up, and then it will like coast kill
Yeah.
have like little smoke and thing. And then now me I use one term, boss. So when it bust, what happen really?
That mean you no use the amount of grass so it bust
Yeah.
under the dirt and the dirt go down and out up all some of the wood if it steam out.
Yeah.
And you know want that will happen, so you just cover it off neat and nice.
Yeah. I remember when me a little bit I grew up and thing and we used to bunny and thing.
Yeah.
We see smoke a come up, it go up in our ear. And we have to check it when we go check it one big hole in it.
Right.
When you look down in it, whole heap of fire. So we have to just pack it back.
Yeah.
Either put back little wood in it or pack it back. With
And
grass,
just and cover it back
and
with
dirt
bush.
back.
Yes,
And
that's true.
Yeah.
And then know him that
Yeah.
in the
So-
solid and okay and
yeah.
alright.
So when you light it, where you light it from?
Right on here, sir.
You light it on the side.
Yeah. Right here, so spark then wood there, then dry wood there.
Oh,
Me light it.
okay. Okay. Right, then drive there so.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you see, if me dey use stud, it a ice up.
Yeah.
You won't know.
So if when you ice up, what would happen? When you light it,
It burn more faster.
More faster, okay, okay. But you don't want it burn fast, you want it steam.
We just want it to steam out. And when it steam out, the coal them come out in a junk and big.
Okay.
But when you use a stud, the fire talk through it more.
The fire talk through
Yes,
it.
harder.
So them burn out, like it burn out.
It burn good,
Yeah.
but
You get them to it fine.
yes.
Yeah, too fine.
So if you want it that way, they for them, say when I call the wood pack, for the
Yeah.
junk then come out, and when them steam out, you just broke it with door.
Okay.
You just do it down flat.
So
Said
how
way.
long is COAL KILN take to burn?
But say, light it enough this week. When me done cover it and light it. By Monday week into post already.
So how much
But
do you that?
that's about 5 by
About
6 days.
About 5-6 days.
Yeah, it
Okay.
I go ready. After I light in this week,
Yeah.
in a Monday week.
So when time you ready now, you just use your one draw down your skill
Right.
and dry coal them one side and
Yes.
then cool off.
Cool off and then you bag them up.
Alright, may I show you people them how it look when time it comes. So when you cover it up?
I want to start cut the grass and see if I can. After I done pack up, finish neat it up today, want to cut the grass. I've got to cut a portion of grass to cover it off.
Okay.
And when it cover off now,
Yeah.
set time,
Yeah.
me I go. Like by say tomorrow, if I say by tomorrow, it cover off, me have as much of grass, because me have to go trash it with a whole heap of grass good.
Okay.
Then now, as me don't cover it off with the dirt, me just put on the fire part,
Okay.
and I hit that. As it catch to a limit, me just cover it up.
Alright, when you cover it up and thing, I'll come take a look at it
Yeah.
again to show you people.
Cover it up and then now it did there and just a steam out.
I seriously bush this.
I want little one, me carrot to give me that time.
Yeah.
Find down at the bottom farm.
Right.
And me just take off 2-1
Yeah.
and say me want it when me ready.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Can cook one hand boil with banana, boil it with dumpling.
Of course.
But if me did have enough, me nobody use no dumpling.
Yeah.
One big pot of
Banana. Same way.
Thing,
Yeah.
you know one tap it out the top and night. They no eat night them there no the mice
Yeah.
strong.
Okay.
Yeah. Like me just remember some me did have yesterday me and you thought but you me come see.
Yeah.
But look me no the left 2-1.
Oh.
Yes, I made it find look cocoa that I done at the bottom for me the carrot to give her son they were gone.
Yeah.
Because every time we go around there she asks me for cocoa.
Okay.
And me sell out one fine bag for the buy some sugar, flour, rice and little seasoning and highland thing. And me say I just couple root the left but me just dig it and just carry it to give them. And then him and they did buy it, you know.
Right.
Riot some.
Yeah, man. Alright, Munji. So as me say, I just come around one time and look on the COAL KILN same way.
Yeah.
Seeing? And things. So
Me I go work fan to them.
yeah.
Me just I go neat it up.
Right.
Chop up the entire piece and just neat it up and just put them on.
So yeah, people, I hit that. I go to some update and I'm gonna see how the COAL KILN look when it reach further.
Right, so great.
And I'll see you again in another update. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.